Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on your Galanz microwave. Having the correct time displayed on your appliance is incredibly convenient, whether you're timing your cooking or just glancing at it for the current hour. We'll go through each step clearly, making sure you can easily adjust your microwave's clock. You'll be able to enjoy an accurately timed kitchen in just a few moments. Let's get started and make sure your microwave is always showing the right time. To begin, locate the clock or time button on your Galanz microwave's control panel. This button is usually clearly labeled and is your gateway to adjusting the time. Once you've found it, simply press it one time. This action tells your microwave that you intend to change the clock setting, preparing it for your input. It's the first crucial step in getting your microwave to display the correct time. Now it's time to enter the current hour and minutes using the number pad. For instance, if it's 1 o'clock and 30 minutes, you would press the 1 button, followed by 3, and then 0. Remember to input all 4 digits for the time, including any leading zeros if necessary, such as 0800 for 8 o'clock. This ensures your microwave accurately captures the time you want to set. Finally, to save your newly entered time, press the clock or time button once more. This confirms your selection and locks in the time you've just set. You should immediately see the updated time displayed clearly on your microwave screen. Congratulations! Your Galanz microwave clock is now accurately set, ready to assist you with all your cooking and timing needs. Enjoy the convenience of a perfectly synchronized kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.